Hello, how are you doing today? In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit and add your event pixel to a new page that you have created. Now, if you see all these pixels that are active, these are the pixels that are already installed on different pages on my website. But there is a new page that I've created and these pixels are not yet on that particular page. So I want to make sure it is in the new page that I've just created. In the last video, I showed you how to fix a pixel that is not firing. If you detected that it is the template that you are using that is affecting your pixel from firing, make sure if you have not yet watched that video so that you watch it. In case you come across the problem, you see that your pixel is not firing, because if your pixel is not firing, there is no way you'll be able to install event pixel on your website. And if event pixel is not installed on your website, you will not be able to account for the activities that is going on your website. You will not be able to record how many sales you have made. Facebook will not be able to detect people that are taking valuable actions on your website. So I want to start from this view content. That is the people that visited this particular landing page I am running ad on. I am going to open event setup tool and I'm going to grab that URL. This is the URL. I'll simply copy it and I'm going to paste the URL here and open website. Okay, you wait for it, it should be able to come up. Okay, now if you open the website and it come up, it means that your pixel is firing correctly. So now what we want to do is we want to track all the people that visited this particular page. So I'm going to click track URL and this is the URL I want to track. Then what is the event type? Select an event. I am going to select view content. Okay, so this is the view content. So every other person, everybody that visit this particular page will be recorded as view content. You will be seeing it in your performance. Very good, so that you'll be able to record how many people actually visit your website. Let me just give them their review and leave this place. Very helpful. Submit. I click done. Now I am done. So I have already installed my view content on that particular page. Then the next one is add to cart. I need to install this add to cart on another page, and the page I'm going to install it is, let me go to that particular page. Let me go to my dashboard. Okay, let me look for the page. I'll go to all pages. I'll go to all pages. This is the page I want to install add to cart. So everybody that visit this particular page, meaning that he has add this product to cart. It's not necessarily that he has bought it, but he has just added to cart. Then I need to work on this countdown later. It's not working. I will do that later. So this is the add to cart page and this is the form page. So everybody that visit this page meaning that is either you fill the form. Some people may not fill the form, some people may just look at it and go back. So if they look at it and go back, they will be recorded as people that added it to cart. And if they fill the form, they are still part of people that add to cart. So I am going to grab this URL. Then I'm going to go to my event manager. I am going to be working on this add to cart. I'll manage event. I'll open event setup too, and I'm going to paste that URL here and open website. Now if you open your website, this should display immediately. So as this has displayed now, I'm going to click track URL. Okay, it's already showing that it's already here before. So since it's here before, I don't have any other thing to do here. I have to leave this place. I've already installed it before. Okay, so I'm going to finish this and skip. I don't have anything to do here. Okay, new event pics that I want to. All right, the next event pixel I want to work on is purchase, and this is the most important one because that is where we are actually going. We want people to purchase our products. This is the most important event pixel that you can ever have, and incidentally it always have the least people that you can see. So you can see this one has 1.1 thousand views, but this one only have 9. It is always the least. So I'm going to work on it now. I'm going to install it on a new page. Okay, this is the link. I am going to paste it here and open website. Okay, HTTP. I didn't copy complete. Okay, so for everyone that visit this page, because after filling that form they will be redirected to this page. So everyone that visit this page, meaning he has purchased our product. So Facebook is going to record it that if somebody visit this particular page, that means it will be recorded that we have one purchase. So I am going to track the whole of this URL now. I am going to track URL. Then I am going to select the type of event we want to track, and it is going to be purchase. Where is purchase? Here it is. Then I want to add value so that we'll be able to calculate whether we have profit, whether we have a return on investment or return on ad spend. We call it ROAS. If you don't have value, you will not be able to calculate. Facebook will not be able to calculate whether you have return on ad spend. So the value is very, very important, and this is how you add value to your purchase on Facebook. Make sure you have the price on your purchase page so that you'll be able to click on it, because if the price is not here now, then there is no number to be displayed. But since we have a number here already, the number is displayed. So I'm going to click on it. If I click on the number, I will just have to wait for a while for it to detect that figure. Now it has detected the figure already, and you can see the figure have shown here. Whatever figure you click on, that is the one that is going to indicate. Now the figure is shown here already, and now that it's shown, we are good to go. So I'm going to, and the currency is in naira. You have a lot of currency here, but the currency is in naira because we are in Nigeria. So I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, so we are good to go. I'm going to finish it or finish it. Then let me give them their review and leave this place. Then click submit. Done. Okay, now that you have installed your purchase page, you have installed your purchase pixel on your purchase page, you don't have to be visiting that page anymore, because if you visit it, it will be recorded that you have a purchase, and it will lead to inaccurate record. So make sure the page is fully set up before you ever install purchase pixel. So I'm not going to visit that place until after this ad, so that I'll be able to have accurate record of my purchases. So I'm done with installing my event pixels on my pages, the important ones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to give me a video testimonial if this video has actually helped you, so that it will assist in other people discovering this course, and they will have benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.